Hello there, it's Chris. Another update on this weekly performance. I am doing day 96. I've got a 5,000 max I can have in the account, $500 subscription bot, which has 275 days to go. I've got 1,365 USDT, and this week since Sunday, I've made $38.58. I'm getting more on my profit balance due to the fact I've got an 80-20, which means I earn 80% and 20% to the company. Normally, when people start off with a $50 bot and 100 USDT in their transaction balance, they earn 50 from the company and 50 goes to you. And there's my bot at 500. You don't have to go to the extreme end. It's all depend how much you want to earn per month. Like here, 2,000, you can have 25,000 in a max account. So that'll be a lot of money coming in per month. Then it's entirely up to you what you want to do. It's your running the bot. It's trading BTC, and I've got it on high risk due to the fact that you're only losing a small in cents normally, or $1. So it's nothing major. So let's have a look. I'm going to career. I've got 19 bots left as a bonus, which basically means once you set up your bot and it's enabled, and also once you deposited 100 into your trading account within this platform, then, and I see it in my back office, I will send you your 50 USDT back to you. Okay, so theoretically speaking, you can withdraw your deposit balance as and when you want, and the money I'll give you back, you'll have the 50 USD in there, so you'll have 150. Okay, and your $50 subscription bot will last 1 year, so you might as well give it a try, as it's going to be risk free. To prove that, you can withdraw your deposit balance where your 100 goes in. You just got to go to withdraw up here, deposit balance. Now if I wanted to, I can withdraw that. It might take 1 or 2 days, maybe 3 days, but I'll get that back. Okay, so it proves a point that as soon as your bot is enabled, you've got 100 USD in here. I send you back your 50. Then you, if you wanted to, you didn't want to do it, you can just withdraw that. Okay, so I've got 5 in my team, 1 active. So what I'll do, go to transaction. Let's full balance, withdraw that. Max, withdraw. Successful. So I always set this when I do a video. It makes it easier, then I know what I've got each week. I need 2,993 left to get a bonus. So go back to subscription. Let's withdraw this 38.58. Let's withdraw that, copy that, paste that, withdraw that. Success. So what I'm going to do now is add it to this. Go to update, 38.70, copy that, paste that, next. Success. There you go. I've got $1,404.67 USDT. So this is what the bot trades on, and even though it had profit balance, the bot trades on both at the same time. Okay, so it adds it together and then it just trades it. So let's get to where I can show you the trade history. Go back here. Back to main page. Hold on. Okay, so what we need to do is go into the sub account. At the moment, this is like what I call the master, where you can do, it's like, acts like a wallet. So switch account from master to sub, go next, confirm, go to trade, go to spot, go to confirm. Now what you see here is all the arrows. You see where all the trades have taken place. So let's have a look to see what the token is worth. Traiex token. Whoa, that's a bit of a okay, I got in somewhere around about here, so I paid about 1400 USDT to get it back up. So it looks like it had a bit of a spike, which is absolutely fantastic. Now it's starting to come down, but it was from about July up to about September, it was in a sideways trend. Then all of a sudden it's broken out like it did here. So it looks like it might be following this. Then it'll go up, come back, who knows. But for people who want to buy, I'd wait at the moment, take the 50-50, or just buy a few little tokens and just to get the percentage of your bot to make further money. Okay, so let's go back to BTC. Okay, it's in no trades at the moment. So if we go to orders, trade history. Now today is the 20th of the 9th of September. 20th of the 9th, that's what we're trading. That's your sell, that's your exit. Your buy is your entry. That's what you got in at, and that's what you got out of. Okay, so here we got in at 115,825. That's the buy. As long as that price is higher, then we've made a profit. If it's lower, we've made a loss. So here, 825.12 to 824, that means we've made a loss on that one. But if you could look at the difference between it's 91, it's what, 20 cent, 20 points, some difference. So there's not much difference. It's about $1 in fees, which is absolutely correct. So one loss, 726,825. That's a winner. That's a loss there. 700 to 699. So that's 2 losses. 3 losses. Winner. 4 losses. Winner. Still the 20th. Winner. Still the 20th. Winner and winner. So we've had, each page is 5 trades. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17 trades and 4 losses. As you can see, the wins always seem to, which is absolutely fantastic, outweigh the losses. So theoretically, that's about 80 odd percent gains. So not a lot of people actually show you the ins and outs of the actual trades or the trading history, but I show that every time when I do a video. I do a video once a week, and it makes sense because when you're earning like $30 to $40 a week, or nearly enough to $40, it's no really point me doing a daily. Now if I was doing $80 to $90 a day, yes, then I'll be doing it daily. But because I've only got 1400, I just keep building. That's all I'm going to do for now. Go up one or two more bots, get up to 25, then keep taking out a certain amount each month. That's my 2000 is going to be my limit to. I think 2000 is going to be my limit to actually go up to as my main target. So, in that case, that's it for now. But if you want to come on board my team, the link will be below. But like I said, 100 for deposit to let the bot trade on, $50 to activate the bot for 1 year subscription, and then as soon as it activates in my back office, I will send you back the 50 USDT. So theoretically for you, it will be a risk-free trade. Okay, and that is it. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.